Most insurance appeals fail before they're even read. Not because the case is weak, not because the denial was fair, because the letter was written wrong. Today I'm going to show you exactly what a winning appeal letter looks like, and the 5 elements that separate the appeals that get overturned from the ones that get ignored. The Insurance Appeal Kit in the description has a done-for-you appeal letter template with all 5 elements already built in. Link is below. Get it before you write a single word. Insurance companies process thousands of appeals every week. The reviewers looking at your letter are not reading it the way you wrote it. They're scanning for specific triggers, specific language, that tells them whether your appeal has legal and medical merit. If those triggers aren't there, your letter goes in the denial pile in under 60 seconds. Here are the 5 elements every winning appeal letter must have. Element 1. The exact denial reason, quoted verbatim. Copy the denial language from your denial letter word for word. Put it in quotes. This shows the reviewer you've read the denial carefully and you're responding to the specific reason, not writing a generic complaint letter. Element 2. Your policy language, quoted back at them. Find the relevant section of your insurance policy, the definition of medical necessity, or the coverage clause for your procedure, and quote it directly. Then show how your situation meets that definition. You are using their own contract against them. Element 3. A letter of medical necessity from your physician. This is non-negotiable. Your doctor must provide a signed letter explaining in clinical terms why this treatment is medically necessary for your specific diagnosis. Reference this letter explicitly. Element 4. Supporting clinical evidence. Include published medical guidelines from organizations like the American Medical Association or peer-reviewed studies supporting your treatment. Insurers use clinical criteria to deny. You use the same clinical criteria to appeal. Element 5. A clear legal citation. Reference the applicable law. For most appeals, this is the Affordable Act. For emergency room denials, cite the No Surprises Act. One specific legal citation transforms your letter from a complaint into a formal legal challenge. One more thing most people get wrong: the tone. Your appeal letter is not a place to express frustration. It is a clinical, legal document. No emotional language. No accusations. No exclamation points. Short sentences. Numbered lists. Clear headers. Professional language throughout. The moment your letter reads like a complaint, it stops being treated like an appeal. This is exactly the structure the Insurance Appeal Kit is built around. The template already has all 5 elements formatted and ready. You fill in your specific information, and the structure does the rest. It also includes a checklist of every document to attach and a guide for following up after submission. The link is in the description. If you have a denial letter sitting on your desk right now, don't write a single word until you've downloaded this kit. Click the link below to get your kit and fight back today.